Tuesday, the Kapoor family extended a special invitation to the Prime Minister to celebrate the 100th birth anniversary of the Indian film industry's stalwart Raj Kapoor. Actors Kareena Kapoor Khan, Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Karishma Kapoor, Neetu Kapoor and others met the Prime Minister at his residence in the national capital, where they recalled the life and times of Raj Kapoor and indulged in a very engaging conversation with the Prime Minister. But this interaction has now sparked a fresh political war of words, with the opposition targeting the Prime Minister and questioning his priorities. The Congress party says that the Prime Minister is more keen on real life than real life issues. The opposition is also drawing a comparison to Manipur and asking, why is it that the Prime Minister is focusing on interacting with celebrities rather than the aggrieved victims of the Manipur conflict?
Prime Minister meets any celebrity for that matter, I don't have any personal problem. But the problem is he meets only such people. When Manipur was burning, he never went there. There are so many farmers died, he never went there. It's a way of his life, you know. The last 11 years, if you see his tweets, or if you see number of people he has met them, he's only people who are popular. So apart from trying to meet such people, drive out, get more of popularity for him, trying to get in good books of such people, only what he's trying to do. So this is how it is anyway. We have to suffer through. This is how it is going to be now.
We have to understand that our finance minister is enjoying the video of the Prime Minister who meets the Kapoor family, and she likes that video. There is no issue with her liking the video of the finance minister meeting the cinema family. And in the meantime, the leader of opposition is meeting the delegation of the Bank Officers Association. And understand Nirmala Sitharaman ji, who has written off more than 10 lakh crores of money, bank money. She has written off for the past 7-8 years. Therefore, let us understand that finance minister must address the bank employees issue, and leader of opposition have every right to speak to the bank employees associations, and we will be the voice for them inside the parliament.
So the attacks are only continuing. A political storm brewing over Prime Minister Modi's meeting with the Kapoor family, with the opposition leaders taking sharp digs. The Congress leader Pawan Khera in the latest has lashed out, saying we talk about Manipur, but the Prime Minister prioritizes Kareena Kapoor. The opposition accused the Prime Minister of ignoring pressing national issues for a star-studded engagement, further intensifying the political slugfest. So this was a video of the meeting that you're seeing on the screens. The Prime Minister meeting the Kapoor family. The Kapoor family members also spoke about their interaction with the Prime Minister. But politics playing out over it, with the Congress party slamming the Prime Minister, saying while the Prime Minister should be focusing on issues of national importance, he is busy with the cinema fraternity, saying he is busy interacting with the Kapoors while there are bigger issues to speak about. We have more breaking updates coming in. Union Minister Ramdas Athavale has now hit back at the opposition and says that the Prime Minister was only honouring the Kapoor family for their exceptional contribution to the field of art.
कपूर फैमिली का बहुत बड़ा योगदान अपने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मिला है। उन्होंने बहुत सारा काम बहुत अच्छा किया है और समाज को दिशा देने का काम फिल्म के माध्यम से होता है, और इसीलिए वो कपूर फैमिली का सम्मान करने का काम माननीय आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ने किया है। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। लेकिन जिस तरह बात हो रही है भाई, यहाँ हमारी निर्मला सीतारामन जी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है और वो अधिकारियों को मिलती है ना, ये बात ठीक है नहीं है। हमारी जो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है वो तो हमेशा सभी अधिकारियों को मिलती है, सभी एमपी को मिलती है, उनका जो प्रॉब्लम सुनती है। इसीलिए निर्मला सीतारामन जी पर इसी तरह की आपत्ति उठाना ठीक नहीं है।
My colleague Nyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details of the politics playing out. Nyamika, in his interaction with the Kapoor family, the Prime Minister also spoke about how cinema is soft power for the country. But there's politics playing out over it. Take us through the details.
Well, yes, indeed, the war of words has already been erupted as the opposition was slamming Prime Minister Narendra Modi for, meeting the Kapoor family at the point of time when the opposition is trying to raise certain matters within the parliament, as the opposition is basically alleging that it shows the priorities of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that he is not ready to speak within the parliament regarding the issues which the opposition is continuously raising within the parliament, the matters which are related to the common man of this country. On the other side, he is busy talking to the Bollywood stars. As for that reason, we have also seen that how the Congress party had made certain statements, which also includes Pawan Khera, who had made a tweet in this regard, and he had said that we had asked about the Manipur situation from the government, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi is basically speaking to Kareena Kapoor. As for, in fact, not just him, but in fact, we have also seen that Mr. Manikam Tagore or Priyank Kharge, all of these leaders have also spoken about this entire issue. As for that reason, they are saying that for the government, it is the real life which is more important than the real life, as they are not ready to speak about the inflation, about the violence which is continuing in the state of Manipur, or the falling rate of the Indian currency. All these issues are not important for the government of India, but for Prime Minister, it is more important to speak to the Bollywood stars or to meet the Kapoor family. However, a counter-attack is also coming in on the part of the government, as the BJP as well as its alliance partners are also speaking about this entire issue. As recently we have seen that how Mr. Ramdas Athavale has spoken about it, and he said that Prime Minister was only thanking the Kapoor family for all the contribution which they have
wrong
made.
if the Prime Minister is interacting with the Kapoor family or with the film fraternity? Soft power is something that the Prime Minister spoke of. Niyamika, stay with us. We want to play out for our viewers as the political war of words continues. Let's take a look at that interaction with the Prime Minister that kick-started the entire political tussle.
एक हफ्ते से सिर्फ ये डिसाइड करें कि हम कैसे आपको कहेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी, प्रधानमंत्री जी।
मैं भी आपका परिवार का हूं भाई।
वेट करके जब आपको मिलेगी 10 साल से बताया करेंगे। 10 साल जी, 10 साल पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट करना था भाई।
राज कपूर साहब ने दुनिया में भारत के सॉफ्ट पावर की ताकत को एस्टैब्लिश कर दिया।
फोटो का रैली होता होगा। बहुत कम वस्तुओं जो बच रहे फैमिली में, तो ये 10 या 12 वस्तुओं में से एक है, तो आपको पेश करना चाहते हैं हम।
यहाँ जो पीएम विजयम बना है उसमें
पिछले हफ्ते जो हमारी व्हाट्सएप फैमिली ग्रुप है, हम एक हफ्ते से सिर्फ ये डिसाइड करें कि हम कैसे आपको कहेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी, प्रधानमंत्री जी। रीमा बुआ मेरे को रोज फोन करके पूछ रही है क्या मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ, क्या मैं ये वो बोल सकती हूँ।
मैं भी आपका परिवार का हूँ भाई, आपको जो मर्जी पड़े वो बोलिए।
बहुत अच्छा रट गया। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी।
अभी हाल ही में आप आई थिंक अफ्रीका गए थे और वहाँ भी मैंने एक क्लिप देखा था, आप एक जवान के साथ खड़े थे और वो उस टाइम मेरा गाना गा रहे थे समझा, पर मैंने वो क्लिप देखा था और काफी लोगों ने मुझे भेजा था, सब लोग बहुत खुश हो गए। बट एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगी, गाना जो है जो दुनिया को यूनाइट करता है, स्पेशली जो हिंदी गाने होते हैं, मतलब लोग गाते ही रहते हैं, शायद शब्द उनको समझ में ना आए। और ये मैंने काफी देखा जब हम ट्रैवल करते हैं, खास करके ऑफ कोर्स विद राज कपूर सॉन्ग्स, बट इवन नाउ आई थिंक एक जो एक स्पेशल फीलिंग और सेंटिमेंट होता है हमारे गानों में, सब लोग और इंस्टेंटली कनेक्ट करते हैं। और उसी के साथ एक क्वेश्चन था आपके लिए, क्या आप गाने सुन पाते?
मैं सुन पाता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है, कभी मौका मिल जाए तो मैं जरूर सुन लेता हूँ।
आप पहले प्रधानमंत्री हैं जिससे मैं मिला हूँ, और आप